going to learn about the seasons and weather. Winter, summer, rainy and cloudy. Are you ready? Let's go! Winter. Winter is the cold season. In some places, snow falls from the sky. We wear warm clothes like jackets, scarves, and gloves. We can drink hot chocolate to keep warm. Can you say winter? W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. Summer. Summer is the hot season. The sun shines bright and the days are long. We wear light clothes and go swimming. We eat cold ice cream to stay cool. Can you say summer? S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. Rainy season. Rainy weather is when it rains a lot. We use umbrellas and raincoats to stay dry. The plants grow well because they get lots of water. Sometimes we splash in puddles. Splash! Splash! Can you say rainy? R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy. Cloudy. Cloudy days are when the sky is full of clouds. Sometimes it feels cooler and the sun hides behind the clouds. It might rain later, or maybe not. Can you say cloudy? C-L-O-U-D-Y. Cloudy. Let's remember. Winter is cold. Summer is hot. Rainy season is wet. Cloudy days are cool. Winter, summer, rainy, cloudy. Seasons and weather come and go. Oh, wow! Hot or cold, wet or gray. Every seasons and weather are fun to play. Great job, friends! You've learned about the weather and seasons. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye-bye!